How to replace the air valve bank on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for reassembly. We will be replacing the right-hand air valve bank, but if you are replacing the other side, you may follow the same instructions for the left-hand air valve bank. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Detach the back cover by removing the 4 screws that are securing it to the chair base. Remove the right-hand side panel by first locating the upholstered flap underneath the right-hand side of the seat pad. Lift to detach the hook and loop fastener to gain access to the side panel hoses and connectors. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and washer. Pull upward on the 2 L-shaped hoses to detach. Press the tab on each of the 3 white connectors to detach and disconnect. Then, remove the side panel by rotating and lifting upward. If removing the left-hand side panel, before detaching, place the tablet on the seat, then lift up on the tablet holder to remove and set aside. The left-hand side panel will only have the 2 L-shaped hoses. Locate the air valve bank harness connector underneath the right side of the chair seat. Cut the zip tie securing the connector ends. Then press the tab to disconnect the connector. Now, pull firmly to detach all of the hoses from the front of the air valve bank. Then, remove the 4 screws securing the air valve bank to the chair frame. Detach the remaining hose on the side of the air valve bank to remove the bank and attached harness. To install the new air valve bank, place into position underneath the hose and connector wiring and thread the harness into the opening leading to the bottom of the chair. Attach the hose originating to the bottom of the chair to the side of the air valve bank, pushing firmly to secure. Then, replace the 4 screws previously removed to secure the bank to the chair frame. Now, attach the remaining hoses to their corresponding fittings, pushing firmly to secure. Attach the connector. You will hear a click when fully connected. Then secure the connector ends with a new zip tie and cut any excess tie. There are 4 mounting points to reinstall the side panel. The horseshoe bracket to the post, the black tab into the slot, the rear white mount to the upper bracket, and then the front white mount into the lower bracket. Line up the horseshoe bracket with the post, then while applying pressure to the panel, slide the bracket onto the post to attach. Check to make sure the side panel hoses and connectors are accessible. Rotate the panel downward to insert the black tab into the slot, while inserting the rear white mount into the upper bracket. Then, push down on the front of the side panel to insert the front mount into the lower bracket. The back of the panel should be flush against the cowl when properly installed. Connect the 3 connectors, by size, to their corresponding connectors on the chair. If you are replacing the left-hand side panel, you will only need to connect the 2 hoses, by color, to their corresponding fittings. Now, replace the screw and washer previously removed to secure the side panel to the chair. Then, press the upholstered flap down onto the seat to secure it over the cable connections. Finally, slide the back cover onto the chair, matching the tabs to their corresponding spaces on the upper backrest, then secure the backrest to the chair frame using the 4 screws previously removed.